So hey guys, welcome back to another video. This video is second and the last part of the previous video, so please watch the video till it's complete. This video is not a tutorial because in previous video I have told you how to draw a lion, so this is not a tutorial, this is a daily basis video. So let's continue. I hope this video doesn't make you bored because this video is bit longer, so please watch the video till the end. If you are enjoying my video, then like and share the video, and don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon so the notification of my next video reach you first. So enjoy the video. This sketch is look like a cat, but I will give my full contribution to make it a lion. I draw this whole sketch with graphite pencil. I did not use any charcoal pencil in it. If you had not seen my previous video, then the link of my video will be coming on the I button above. You can go from there and see it. I am giving you a tip, and the tip is don't hold the pencil tightly during you do shades, drawings, sketching, etc. If you want to get a commission work of you or your favorite one, so you have to DM me on Instagram. I have already given the link of Instagram in the description. If you are a beginner like me, then make sure that the pencil used by you should be a grade base pencil like 2B, 4B, 5B, 6B, 8B, 10B, etc. I hope you have liked the video very much. If you like it, then like the video and also share it further. So we will meet in the next video. Thank you.